Hey guys, how are you doing? If you have recently bought a new iPhone and if the tech sheet mentioned that you have the front-facing camera with 12 megapixel sensor, but when you try to capture a photo, a selfie photo using the default camera application, and within the Photos app, Apple have integrated, the Metadata Viewer, the exit viewer, so you can see the sensor information, the size, the resolution of the photo, the aperture, and all other technical information of that particular photo. And even it contains the location information if the camera has location permission enabled. Even if your friends are sending some photos through iMessage or you're receiving it via AirDrop, you can see the same information within the Photos application. All right, so when you take a photo using the camera app, by default it says 7 megapixel, as you can see here, but the iPhone that you have purchased, I've mentioned, they have 12 megapixel sensor. You might be confused. So go to the camera application. Apple have kind of made the 12 megapixel sensor for adding more content to the screen. So here you can see above the photo text there is an expand icon, so tap on it and this will bring in more content to the picture. So as you can see, the air conditioner, the lights and everything have been expanded here. When you tap it again, it comes back to the normal mode. So when you take a picture, normally we shoot the selfie just like after opening the camera application, just as it is. So this takes 7 megapixel photo, and when you expand it and let more content to be present in the photo in the expanded mode, this photo will be 12 megapixels. So not the regular selfies that we take. So if you want to take a selfie with higher detail and with more resolution packed in it, then consider using the expand option. So here I have a sample. So this one is 7 megapixel. As you can see, shot using the front 23mm with a resolution of 2316 by 3088. And here you can see it's the 12 megapixel photo. The resolution is almost 4K, that is 3024 by 4032. It uses the same 23mm f2.2 lens, but it automatically adjusted the ISO value, and you can see all the other camera specific information of this specific photo. You can see more details filled in to the expanded mode option. So this is how you take the 12 megapixel photo in your iPhone camera if it has the 12 megapixel front camera. Alright, so I hope this clarified your doubt why you are seeing 7 megapixel photos that is shot using the selfie camera. Thank you, and for more iPhone related tips, tutorials and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a wonderful day.